Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video for you because I always talk about my dogs, so I wanted to introduce them to you. So this is Harley, and she's camera shy. Harley, say hi. Not hi to me, hi to my friends. So she is 10 years old, that's why her face is getting white. And she is one of my best friends. My other best friend, I'm going to get him for you. Hold on. And this is my other dog. His name is Jack. And he is 8 years old. So both of my friends they're getting old for dogs, but they are they are my best friends. And like I said, I talk about them all the time, so I just thought that I would introduce them to you. So I will see you guys later. Bye!